good, everyone? We are back, and today we have a new drop, and it's gonna be the biggest drop ever. I've been working on this drop for the past 3 months, past couple weeks, been working 70 hours a week, not getting much sleep, but been getting out so much content, and the entire drop just turned out so fire. I'll put some photos on the screen right now to show you guys, but everything just came out so good, and now it is finally drop day. Time to see if all that hard work paid off. I am pretty nervous. I don't know how it's gonna go, but already got all of the product right here. Got some more boxes we need to unbox. Still quite a bit of work left to do. It is 9 a.m. right now. The drop is at 12 p.m. today, so we have 3 hours until the drop. And as you guys can see, we rearranged the studio quite a bit. So much better, I love it. So now we have the setup over here. Quick little studio tour. We got the couch with the PS2 and the TV, little fridge. Then we got the sample rack right here. Show you guys some of these in a bit. These are dropping today. And then I just set up my new Shopify counter. So as y'all can see, we have done 3,626 orders. Definitely need to see that counter going crazy today. So this is actually insane. We have 2 desks now. This desk right here is for my assistant, Shakai, who's been in some of my videos before. He's coming today. He'll be here in like an hour. And then here we got my new desk. We got a glass top on here. And then if we come over here, we got the product shelves all wrapped around the corner. Looks much better, I think. And probably gonna fill up these shelves right here with the product. Then if we come over here, we have this large mirror with these nice rugs. Oh yeah, the rugs are new. Just picked these up off of Facebook Marketplace. And this is what we're dropping today. So we got the panel t-shirt right here. Got these cool like panels sewn in here. Nice wide boxy fit. Elongated hem, 100% cotton. Just perfect fit in my opinion. Then we got the Entra jorts right here. These turn out so fire. Fit on them, absolutely perfect. Then we got the PS2 wallet chain. So this has like PS2, all the little buttons on here. Turned out absolutely insane. And the final piece in the collection is this card holder right here. Boom. I do not usually have this much money in my wallet, but was filming some promotions for the wallet, so pulled out like $1,000. I'll show you guys that on the screen right now too, the promo for the wallets. This is probably the craziest part of the collection. This is what the PS2 wallet chain comes inside of. I designed this custom PS2 video game case. And so everybody who orders one is gonna get this little custom case. Even wrote this little story on there. Designed some logos for it. Comic Mischief on the rating, of course. That's what inspired the name of the collection, Comic Mischief. Then we got the PS2 right here. With my dope little collection of PS2 games. Y'all drop a comment, let me know which is your favorite game, or if your favorite game is not here, comment that too. Also, one more thing to show you guys. I forgot the panel tee. It actually comes in 2 colors, forgot to say that. And then here's the packaging for the wallets. So we got this nice little, it's like a foil stamp, I think. Pretty sick. All right, 2.5 hours to go until the drop, so time to lock in, finish setting up all these ads.
What's up, guys?
All right, y'all, it is 11:42. We got 18 minutes until the drop, making sure everything is ready to go. All right, we got 12 minutes. I'm about to post the early access on the story. And then we've got I have 3 things I need to post right when it goes live. So we're gonna be watching this, but then I also need to be posting shit on multiple accounts, so.
Fortnite game, man.
Literally Fortnite game.
Let's go.
Yep, and you're like, all right, we got 5 minutes. I'm about to post this new video. Posting this on all 3 accounts. Hella nervous. All right, we got 1 minute to go. I'm trying to upload this right now. All right, I have to upload this skit ASAP. Bro, Instagram just takes so long to post. And TikTok. I'm just trying to post these. Let's go.
Let's go.
Wait, where's this?
I hear it.
Wait, we just got an order, but it's not. Another one, bro. Why is it not? Bro, another one.
go.
That's not going off. What the hell?
There we go.
Oh wait. Let me turn the iPad off. Now it'll go. What? It's literally saying 0 sales, but 4 already came in. Okay, so my computer's broken, but we're getting orders. Posting right now. Email us, that should be going out. There you guys can see if we're getting orders. For some reason my computer's not loading. Let's go.
Bingo.
Let's go. We got another, let's go. Let's go. Damn, 203 bucks? Hell yeah. Apparently there's 0 people on the website right now. So. Shopify is glitched, but we're still getting the orders, they're still coming through.
Like the squad, you still got fucking third party.
They're literally coming from the east.
Bro, why are you spraying?
So Shopify needs to get this fixed because it's literally saying we have 0 visitors right now. Nobody on the website. But you guys have been hearing these orders come in, so obviously there's people on the website. All right, guys, we got some new packages and crazy pickup right here. This light, just grabbed this. This was just in the hall outside somebody else's studio just for free. So definitely had to pick that up. Make sure it works real quick. Damn. Tough. Let's go. That is such a fire pickup. I've actually been needing one of these. And then in here, these are just some boxes just some packaging boxes to put the wallets in. And then these ones right here are packaging boxes for the wallet chains. And then I just grabbed this little speaker from my house for Shakai's desk setup. And in this box right here, we have some this is new bulk. We have 4 pieces right here. So this is dropping next month. These are some jeans. Now these pants I have worn in a ton of videos. A bunch of you guys have asked what pants they are. They are Omnee jeans and they are finally dropping next month. All right, here we go. New denim, just some chill ass pants. These are literally the pants that I wear like actually every single day. I mean, that's why they're in so many of my videos, because I'm just wearing them all damn day. So we got the custom hardware, custom tags, embroidery on the back, double yoke on the back, little back pocket design. Got this little panel going all the way down here. Some subtle distressing on the hem. Got this nice brown thread on there. Little bit wide belt loops. And then this little 3D embroidery right here on the pocket. And then some little darts right here. What's good, y'all? Been a couple hours. Quick little drop update for you guys. We are doing pretty damn well. We've done about 3K in sales so far. Hopefully we can hit 4K by the end of the day. I'm trying to see all of these clothes right here off of this shelf. So I'm gonna be grinding my ass off, continuing to grind my ass off. What's good, y'all? We're back in the studio. It's about 11:30 in the morning. Just been working on some stuff. Busy day today. Got to film a bunch of videos, just keep promoting this drop. And I got to hop on a call in a couple minutes to help coach some brands inside of the community. Instantly tell if somebody's just trying to make a bunch of money. If you're simply just designing to sell, then you're already losing. And think about why you actually started this brand. Like, why did you start a clothing brand versus anything else? If you were to think about like when you die, it's like, what do you want to be remembered for? What's good, y'all? We're back. It is Monday now. Been a few days. Just been chilling on the weekend. Back, number is higher. Always good to see. Today, we are gonna be shipping out all of the orders, packing everything up. Still need to also finish packaging all of these guys.
Ready from the morning on.
All right, y'all, so we got a high risk order. So I figured I would give y'all some sauce real quick on how we handle those. If you get a high risk order, you get the red triangle in Shopify, you cancel that shit immediately. Most of the time. Not every time, but 99% of the time you cancel that. If it's a yellow triangle, then usually those are fine. It's a little bit of a gamble, but most of the time it's chill. What I would recommend to do is reach out to the customer, send them an email, ask to confirm their address or something. Just something like kind of sly where you're like, we just want to make sure your address is correct for whatever reason. Just provide a reason. Could be something like, we just wanted to double check because the address didn't show up in the system, so we want to make sure it arrives on time and correctly. And then we also have an app, a Shopify app that we use to double check every single order. So let me show you guys that. The app we use is No Fraud Fraud Protection. So as you can see, we have 2 scanners here for fraud. Shopify said it was low. No Fraud said it was high. I'm gonna reach out to that customer and try and double check, see if I can get them to respond to make sure the order is legit and they're not trying to scam us, and we're not gonna get a chargeback after shipping the products out. But yeah, most of the time, if it's red, you wanna cancel that. Otherwise, if you do fulfill red triangle orders, those high risk orders, most likely you're gonna get a chargeback on that order. So better to just refund that, and you're not gonna have to pay the chargeback fee and all of that shit. Go through that whole process because it's annoying as fuck. And that app is not sponsored or anything. I just fuck with it. All right, we got the packaging for the PS2 wallet chain. So we got video game case, front and back, little story on there. Got the chain in there. A little bit of padding. Then we got all the goodies. Can't show you the back of the card, but there's a discount code on there. And then the first 10 orders get their free pins. And boom, that's a wrap. We'll be dropping these pins pretty soon. I will say, I do hate that they packed every single one in plastic. Did not know they were going to do that. And next time, definitely gonna try and avoid that because don't wanna be adding any more unnecessary plastic waste to the world. Day 2, back at the studio, shipping out some more orders. We're back at the studio. It is Wednesday. I just brought some new lights in here today. So pretty dark, but got some new lights. Trying to make it a little bit better in here with the lighting. Anyways, yesterday we cleaned up the studio, got everything on the shelves. It's looking absolutely beautiful. And coming back today, we got more orders on the board once again. We just filmed a bunch of new creatives yesterday, so I'm gonna be editing those today and then getting those set up in the Meta Ads Manager. And we're just gonna keep pumping out these orders, pumping out the ads. Got all of the orders packed up. I just got a couple more to print out, and then we're gonna get everything dropped off. Some shit we filmed yesterday. Got some flat light videos. Got some some crazy stuff. Just filmed a bunch of content for the wallets, for the t-shirts, the new pants that we're dropping. That'll be next month. Pretty tough. Orders packed. Already got 2 more that just came in. So I've got to pack those now. And I've been working on this crazy puffer jacket. So let me show you guys. A little sneak peek. Crazy puffer jacket for October, probably. Working on a few different variations, so still in the works, but we are almost there. Way I literally just set the camera down and we just got another order. So I have 3 more to ship. There you have it. We got all the orders. Still lots of more product to be sold, but we made some great progress. Shout out to everyone who copped from this drop. Seriously, really appreciate you guys. Y'all are fucking goated. Literally the goats. Solid order stack. Time to get all this shit to the post office now, and then come back, keep grinding. Some of y'all been asking where I got these bags from. The answer is Amazon. I actually have to go through each one of these just to make sure, because some of these are UPS and others are UPS. Now the reason why we do that is because USPS can ship them for cheaper if it's a smaller package. Typically the larger packages are cheaper to ship with UPS, and it's literally the same exact service, so it makes sense to just do whichever is cheaper. Just drop off at both locations, save some costs. Because it might be a couple dollars difference per package, but at the end of the year, when you have someone like me spending like over $10,000 on shipping alone, that shit adds up so fast, and you can save a lot of money by doing that. Secret DHL package as well. Big old package going out to the United Kingdom. Shout out to Oscar. Omnee is in 45 countries worldwide, actually more than that now. Germany. Got half dropped off at the post office at USPS. Now, as some of y'all know, UPS is dumb as shit and they make you scan every single package by hand, so I'm calling somebody else to see if I can drop them off, because you don't have to scan them.
Next, this is Alicia. May I help you?
Hi, I have like 50 UPS packages. I was just wondering if I could drop them off at your guys' store.
You said 50 of them? Okay. Are you going to be needing drop-off receipts for all of them? Okay. It might be difficult with 50 of them. With 50 of them, we'll probably just have you leave them because we have to scan each of them individually. So if you're okay with just bringing them and dropping them off, we...
Cool. Well, thank you.
No problem. Bye.
Bye. Shit. I'm gonna think about what to do. All right, we're going to UPS because I need the drop-off receipts in case UPS loses some packages. I'm not trying to deal with that shit, so UPS it is. Also, tell me why half the time I go and drop off packages and I have like a bunch of packages, it's always some old-ass fucking dude or old-ass chick looking at me all funny, giving me those mean looks. Not trying to see the young dudes out here winning. Like, get your ass out of here, fucking old-ass geezer. Giza. Bro, it literally just happened again inside of UPS. Some old woman looking at me all funny, got that stank ass face on her face, saying, I hate my life, so I'm gonna hate on yours. Fuck that. All right, y'all, we are back in the studio. Just got all of those orders dropped off. I'm gonna wrap up the vlog here. Appreciate you guys for watching. If you guys wanna cop something from the drop, hit the link in the description and comment what videos you guys wanna see next. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace. No way. We just got an order. Let's go.